Hi friends, want to keep certain apps private on your Samsung Galaxy A27? In this guide, I'll show you a simple way to hide apps from your home and app screens without deleting them or affecting your personal data. If you share your phone with family or friends, hiding apps can help keep your home screen organized and add an extra layer of privacy. This feature doesn't uninstall the app or erase any information, it simply removes the app icon from the home screen and the app screen. To begin, press and hold any empty area on your home screen until the customization menu appears. From there, tap the settings gear icon located in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down through the settings menu until you find hide apps on home and app screens. Then tap it. You'll now see a complete list of the apps installed on your Galaxy A27. Browse the list and tap each app you want to hide. A checkmark will appear beside every selected app, confirming your choice. Once you've selected all the apps you'd like to conceal, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. Your selected apps will immediately disappear from both the home screen and the app screen. Keep in mind that hiding an app doesn't lock it or prevent notifications. The app remains installed and continues to work normally in the background. If someone knows the app is installed, they may still be able to access it through the phone's settings or by searching for it in the Google Play Store. If you ever want the app icons to appear again, simply return to Hide Apps on Home and App screens, deselect the hidden apps, and tap Done to restore them. This built-in Samsung feature is a quick and convenient way to keep personal apps out of sight while maintaining easy access whenever you need them. Success! Your selected apps are now hidden. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.